Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make your computer at least 10 to 15 times faster than earlier. Trust me, your computer will work like a brand new computer and it will work like a charm. And you don't have to do many steps on it. It will not take much time. Even if you are not a tech savvy, it will be very easy to do it. You just have to do only and only 2 steps. And the first step is you need to type Task Manager in the search bar. So I just have typed task and I can see a Task Manager. So I'll just click on Open, and here I will find some menu options: Process, Performance, App History, Startup. So go to Startup tab, and there just try to disable those at the startup when you turn on the computer, which you do not want. I mean, mostly you don't require many things at the startup. So let's say like if I have Cortana, or if you would like to enable it, you can enable it. I have disabled it for myself. Most of the people do not want Microsoft OneDrive. So whatever you know, you may disable it. Do not disable the security or any antivirus program which is running in your computer. Just disable the applications which you have installed and you know about it. Even if you do it 2-3 things, that will be done. So once you do this, open Google Chrome and type CCleaner. Now this is a very old cleaner, and trust me, it is one of the best cleaner anyone can use for Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10 computer. And you don't have to purchase it. You don't have to buy it. Just download the free version and it will show like this CCleaner icon, and just open it. Here you can do a health check. I'll tell you one of the most important step to do it. So click on Custom Scan, and here in the Windows tab there are 2 options you will find. So just click on Analyze. So once you analyze it, you just have to run Cleaner and click on Continue. And you do not have to make any changes here. Let's say if you do not want to delete your download history, you may do that, but I'm not making any changes here. So once it's deleted, go to Applications, and here as well click on Analyze. So it will analyze like almost 2 gigabytes of junk needs to be wiped out, and then just run Cleaner. So I have opened Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox, some system cache. You know, these are the files which has been created by system itself. There will be no data created by you. It will only delete the junk, and just run Cleaner. And it's also free. And one of the best part of this CCleaner is it doesn't take too much resources of your computer. So once you install this CCleaner, this will not use much space in your computer, and you can run it every week or every 15 days. So it will make your computer like a brand new. So you don't have to do anything else in your computer. These are the only 2 steps which you need to do it on a weekly basis or every after 15 days or 30 days, and you are good to go with Windows 10 computer. That's all for now. Please do subscribe my channel for more tutorials on Windows 10. You have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.